Good morning, children. Today we are going to start Nernst equation. So this equation is for calculation of what? EM of cell or E cell or what? Cell potential. All these are what? Same only. To calculate cell potential, to calculate E cell, to calculate electromotive force EMF, we use what actually? Nernst equation. Now here is a general equation we have taken, is a reduction reaction. We can take for oxidation reaction also, but generally standard electrode potential means for reduction reactions only. I have taken a reduction reaction here. For this general equation, how to get the Nernst equation? Very simple. First of all, here n plus converting into m, write down that one. That is equal to, this is actually what? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus RT by NF into ln natural logarithm concentration of products by concentration of reactants. This is the concentration of product and this one is the concentration of product. For this general equation, I will write Nernst equation. Now E where m plus n converting into m, that equal to E naught m plus n by m minus RT by n number of electrons into F natural logarithm ln concentration of product. Here product is what? This is what? Product. This is product, right? This one is reactant. Now product concentration capital M by reactant concentration M plus N. In this way I have taken a Nernst equation. This is nothing but same. Okay, and now what I am doing here, you know R value. R is a gas constant. That value is 8.314. Now temperature here I am maintaining at 298 Kelvin temperature. Okay, so what I am doing here, temperature is equal to 298, Faraday is equal to 96,487, otherwise roughly 96,500. Now R equal to 8.314 joules. Substitute all these values into either this equation or this equation, and ELN is equal to, next what? ELN is equal to natural logarithm, that is always equal to 2.303 into log. Now substitute this value also here. Now if you substitute all these things, what we get here? This formula we get. E naught E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N into log concentration of products by concentration of reactants. What is this N? Number of electrons involved in the reaction, isn't it? So this is the Nernst equation. Finally we are going to get to calculate the problems here. It will be useful for the problems here. This is a very important formula. Right, next what we'll take here, we'll take an example here. Okay, here the reaction I will write first of all. For this one reaction, for copper plus 2 taking 2 electrons converting into copper. This one is a solid, this one is aqueous only. Whenever a metal in the form of ion, that will be in aqueous. Without any charge, that will be solid. Remember this one. For this one I am writing what? Nernst equation. How to write the Nernst equation for this one? Write down first of all copper plus 2 converting into copper. Next E naught is nothing but this is at 298 Kelvin temperature. These values will be always constant. Next minus 0.059 divided by number of electrons are how many here? 2. Take here what? 2. Log concentration of product. Here product is what here? This one. Concentration of copper divided by concentration of reactant is what? This one is the reactant. This one is the product. Proc we are going to get copper plus 2. You won't take the electrons here, right? Now generally this is a solid, no? This one is a solid. So for solid, isn't it? Concentration will be what? Always equal to unity 1. So now substitute that one. We get E copper plus 2 by copper is equal to E naught copper plus 2 by copper minus 0.059 by 2 into log. This value will be what? Unity 1. Now 1 by copper plus 2 concentration, right? Now this equation also I can write like this also. E copper plus 2 by copper is equal to E naught copper plus 2 by copper. Now I am changing the sign minus into plus. Okay. Now what we get? 0.059 by 2 into log. Now when I change this sign, the denominator becomes numerator here. We are going to get copper plus 2 concentration. So this we are going to get finally. This is correct. Okay. And this one also correct. This one also is also correct only. But only I have changed the sign only. Both are what? Same only. Okay. Now the reduction potential of copper plus 2 directly proportional to what? Concentration of copper plus 2. More copper plus 2 concentration, more reduction potential of copper plus 2. I can write like this. The reduction potential of copper plus 2 directly proportional to concentration of what? Copper plus 2. Okay. Now what we can take even for zinc also we can write here. Even for zinc also we can write same thing. Now in the position, in the place of this one, what will take here? Here. In the place of this one, we'll take what? Now zinc I will take. Zinc plus 2, taking what here? 2 electrons, converting into zinc. This one is product. This one is what? Reactant. Now what will be the formula? E zinc plus 2 by zinc is equal to E naught zinc plus 2 by zinc minus 0.059 divided. How many electrons are? 2 electrons are participating into log. Concentration of product. This one product is what? Concentration of zinc divided by concentration of zinc plus 2. If you want to change this sign, this is also 1. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to change the sign, what we get here? E zinc plus 2 by zinc is equal to E naught zinc plus 2 by zinc plus 0.059 by 2. This concentration will be what actually here? 1. Okay, I am changing the sign. Denominator becomes here numerator. So we are going to get log zinc plus 2 concentration. Okay, so this is called Nernst equations of what? Single electrodes. This is for only what? Single electrode, isn't it? Here in this, what they done actually, you see both are what? Same. I didn't change the sign here. You can take directly whatever minus, you take directly that one. Here also whatever minus is taken directly what? Nothing is different here. If I take plus here, what? You can, this will come here, right? This will come here. This will come if I take plus here. But no need to take every time. You can use plus minus also, no problem. Now cell potential we can calculate. E cell equal to E cathode minus E cathode minus E anode, right? Now what is E cathode? This one. What is E anode? This one. This is E anode. Now E cell we can calculate by putting what? E cathode minus E anode here. Now first of all you take this equation here. So same equation of whatever I have written here. This is equation number 1. Take here, this is equation number 1. That is what actually E cathode minus, okay, E anode. This one is actually what? E anode. Second equation. Equation number 2. E anode here. Now once we get here, minus already is there. Minus into minus we get a plus here. Here actually what they done, they didn't taken what? 0.05. It taken RT also. No problem. If we put whatever thing we get here. Finally you are getting this equation. Now here put R value is what? 8.314. Temperature 298. F is equal to 960,500 something. What we get here? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 96,500. Same log zinc plus 2 by copper plus 2 concentration. Okay, this is the equation we are going to get. So in examination point of view, the derivation part they don't ask, simply they will ask only the problems here. So in that case, how to solve the problems, that is important. That I will discuss in the next video.